There is a small group of drivers in this country who do something most people think is impossible. They drive the same car past 200,000 miles, past 300,000 miles. Some of them drive past 500,000 miles on original engines, original transmissions, without ever opening a repair bill that made them sick to their stomach. These are not lucky people. They did not win some genetic lottery with a perfectly built vehicle. They drive the same brands you drive, the same models. Some of them bought their car used with 60,000 miles already on the clock. What separates them is not what they do, it is what they refuse to do. And once you see the list, you will not look at your own car the same way again. Here are the 7 things that drivers who reach 500,000 miles never do to their car. Number 1, they never treat oil change intervals as flexible. This single habit ends more engines than anything else on this list. Your dashboard maintenance light is not a suggestion. It is a deadline. And every day you drive past it, something irreversible is happening inside your engine. Oil breaks down. The additives that protect metal surfaces from friction depleted. What is left behind forms sludge, a thick, dark residue that coats passageways, starves bearings of lubrication, and traps heat in places that were never designed to handle it. Oil analysis data from independent laboratories shows that engines running past their service interval consistently produce elevated wear metals, microscopic particles shaved off internal surfaces when the oil film between them collapses. You cannot see that damage happening. You will feel it at 150,000 miles when your engine starts consuming oil. You will pay for it at 200,000 miles when it does not start at all. Drivers who hit 500,000 miles change their oil on schedule. Not close to schedule, on schedule. Many of them use full synthetic and follow the manufacturer's specification precisely. That discipline, compounded over decades of ownership, is the difference between an engine that lasts and one that does not. Number 2, they never let their coolant go past its service life. Most people think of coolant as the liquid that keeps the engine from overheating in summer. That is half the job. The other half is what happens when the coolant gets old, and it is the half that destroys engines. Fresh coolant contains corrosion inhibitors that protect the aluminum, steel, and rubber throughout your cooling system. Those inhibitors have a finite lifespan. Once they are depleted, the coolant becomes acidic. It stops protecting and starts attacking, eating through water pump seals, corroding heater cores, degrading the gaskets that hold your engine together. A water pump that fails from corrosion damage causes rapid overheating. In an interference engine, severe overheating warps the cylinder head, blows the head gasket, and can cause internal damage that costs more to fix than the car is worth. A coolant flush runs around $100 at most shops. The engine it protects costs $6,000 to replace. Drivers who reach 500,000 miles never let that math work against them. Now here is where most maintenance guides stop. They cover oil and coolant and call it done. But the next habit on this list is the one that kills transmissions, quietly, expensively, and without a single warning light. Number 3, they never neglect transmission fluid. A transmission replacement costs between $3,000 and $8,000, depending on your vehicle. It is the single most expensive drivetrain repair most drivers will ever face, and in a significant number of cases, it is completely avoidable. Transmission fluid does not just lubricate, it cools, it cleans, and it controls the hydraulic pressure that tells your transmission when and how to shift. As that fluid degrades over time, It accumulates clutch material and microscopic metal particles. Shifting gets rougher. Heat builds faster. Internal components wear in ways that cannot be undone. Consumer Reports, long-term reliability tracking, consistently identifies transmission failure as one of the most expensive repair categories in vehicle ownership, and one of the most preventable. The vehicles that keep a working transmission past 200,000 miles almost always have one thing in common: documented fluid service on schedule every time. Drivers who reach 500,000 miles treat transmission fluid the same way they treat oil. Non-negotiable, no exceptions. Not because the dashboard told them to, because they understand what that fluid is standing between them and. Number 4, they never ignore what bad alignment does to the rest of the car. Alignment is the one maintenance item most drivers think of as optional. It is not. When your wheels are out of alignment, your tires wear unevenly, and unevenly worn tires do not just wear out faster. They change how your vehicle distributes weight at highway speed. And that imbalance transfers directly into stress on your wheel bearings, control arm bushings, and tie rod ends. Those are components that cost hundreds of dollars each to replace, and that, when they fail at speed, create a handling emergency. TOPO's annual roadside assistance data shows tire-related failures are consistently among the top causes of breakdown calls, accounting for hundreds of thousands of service calls every year. High-mileage drivers rotate tires on schedule, check pressure every month, and get alignment checked after any significant impact. A $60 alignment check protects a $400 tire set and every suspension component connected to it. And that brings us to the habit that is not about maintenance at all. It is about attention. And it may be the most important one on this list. Number 5, they never let a small problem stay small. When a 500,000-mile driver hears a new noise, they do not turn up the radio. When they notice a small oil spot on the driveway, they do not park on a different section of concrete. They find out what it is immediately. Almost every catastrophic mechanical failure has a warning period. A small oil leak becomes a seized engine. A faint knock becomes a spun bearing. A slight vibration in the brake pedal becomes warped rotors and scored calipers. The difference between catching a problem at stage 1 and catching it at stage 3 is measured in hundreds versus thousands of dollars, and sometimes in whether the car is worth fixing at all. Drivers who reach 500,000 miles have a zero-tolerance policy for the words, "It is probably nothing." In their experience, it is always something. The question is only how much it will cost. You are more than halfway through, and you have already heard what most maintenance guides will never tell you. What is coming next is the mistake that is running through your fuel system right now, and most drivers have no idea it is happening. Number 6, they never ignore AIR filtration. There are 2 filters in your vehicle that most drivers forget exist entirely: the engine air filter and the cabin air filter. The engine air filter stands between your combustion chamber and everything in the atmosphere: dust, pollen, road debris, contaminants of every kind. A clogged engine air filter forces your engine to work harder to pull in the air it needs, reduces combustion efficiency, and in severe cases allows fine particles to bypass the filter and accelerate wear on cylinder walls and piston rings. The cabin air filter protects your climate system. A restricted cabin filter forces your blower motor to work against resistance. It was never designed to handle continuously. Blower motor replacement runs between $200 and $400 depending on the vehicle. A cabin filter that burns out costs $15 to $30. Drivers who hit high mileage check both filters every 12 months without exception. They do not treat filtration as an afterthought. They treat it as the first line of defense for two of the most expensive systems in the car. Number 7. They never use fuel that degrades their engine from the inside. Fuel injectors accumulate deposits over time. Those deposits change the spray pattern of fuel entering the combustion chamber, disrupting the atomization that clean combustion depends on. Efficiency drops. Carbon builds on intake valves. In modern direct injection engines, valve deposits accumulate faster and cause rough idle, misfires, and repair bills that catch owners completely off guard. A study by AAA found that vehicles using non-top-tier certified gasoline accumulated intake valve deposits at a significantly higher rate than vehicles using top-tier fuel, deposits that directly contributed to rough idle, reduced fuel economy, and accelerated engine wear. Top-tier certification is a standard maintained by a coalition of automakers that sets minimum detergent requirements above the federal baseline. Most major brand stations carry it. Drivers who reach 500,000 miles use it every time without compromise. They also use a reputable fuel system cleaner on a regular interval and address injector service on the manufacturer's schedule. The engine that reaches 500,000 miles is not a miracle. It is the result of 1,000 small decisions made correctly over 20 years of ownership. Every item on this list is boring. None of it requires mechanical skill. None of it costs serious money. What it requires is the understanding that your car is a system, and systems maintained consistently outlast systems that are not. The 500,000-mile drivers know something the average driver does not. Your car is built to last far longer than most people let it. The only thing standing between your vehicle and 200,000 trouble-free miles is the decision to treat it like it matters. If this video helped you, subscribe to Factory Ride. Every week, we cover what the automotive industry does not want you to know, and what smart drivers are already doing about it.